Alright, this is Desert King, and it has about 15-16 different varieties grafted on it. And they're just starting to wake up. It looks like White Madeira is going to give us some Breba this season, which is pretty cool. So is 3N Prato. And it looks like Nero 600 also has Brebas. Black Donov is going to have some Breba also. Bordezo Blanca Negra. It's going to be amazing. This one surprised me right here. Huge, huge figs. And it grows very fast. It was grafted in the spring, and I was eating fruit on it in the fall, so it's cool. Looks like St. Rita is starting to wake up. Maybe not going to push out anything early. Let's get over here to BNR. This BNR really took off too. These two branches here are both BNR, and this one I'm probably going to have to prune off, but it's given a couple Breba crops. Pretty excited about that one. Raspberry Tart is all woken up, but no fruit, no early fruit on that one. Colonel Lippmann's Black Cross is going to give a couple figs, it looks like. Bordezo Blanca Negra. Definitely going to be a rock star. It's just this part right here is the graft from last spring, and it's got 5 little figlets on that tiny little space. I'm pumped about that one. Good job. I-258. Couple Brebas on that one. And check out this black Tuscan I grafted. Only half of it took, and that part that didn't really graft just kind of scaled over, and it's viable. Looks like it's gonna take. So when you're doing grafts, just remember, even if it doesn't look very pretty, doesn't necessarily mean that it's doomed. These are chip bud grafts I did last spring of Black Madeira, and you can see how it healed up. And I did 2 of them because I only had a small cutting, and they both took. I'm pretty happy about that. I will check back when I have some fruit.